Hey guys, Tom Eckers at MarineMax, Pensacola. Just want to take a quick moment out of your day, show you a brand new 2021 Harris Solstice 230 that we have in inventory. On the back of the boat, I've got a beautiful Mercury 225 horsepower Verado engine. That engine is running right now. It is whisper quiet. So what you're going to have with the Verados is just a smooth, quiet ride. You're going to be able to enjoy your conversation. That engine isn't going to be loud. It's going to be right there on the back. This also has a tow bar right here, so if I got water sports going on, skiing, tubing, you can just look right here and hook it up. On the back, I got a beautiful rear lounger. Plenty of storage under the lounger. This one also comes with an acrylic table that you'll see in that storage. Moving forward into this boat, this is what they redesigned for the Solstice. This is the rear lounger. Really nice job on this. I got a couple configuration options. I can lay that back, have a beautiful nice sun pad. I got plenty of cup holders here for everybody that's going to be back here. Lots of room, but the party tricks aren't done. I can go one step further and completely lay this flat. So this is just a giant bed now for relaxing out a day on the water. If I need to, I can have this recline up. So if somebody's sitting in the boat, if they want to recline, if they want to relax, if they want to be a part of the conversation, they don't want to feel like they're facing the other way, this is a fantastic option. The usability here, the options, the configurations, Harris has done a great job with this layout. We're really excited to be showing it. And you can definitely see how versatile it is. I've got JL audio in the Harris Solstice 230. Moving forward to the Helm. I've got a beautiful Simrad display, JL audio head unit. This has the digital throttle, so I got push start, push stop. I've got docking mode for that engine so that I'm not going to make any sudden movements around the dock. I'm going to be able to be under control. I've got a wireless charging pad. Simple little gauges and buttons right here for everything else that I need on the boat. Harris has done a fantastic job just laying out this boat, keeping it simple. Moving a little bit further forward, I've got a ski locker and a nice bow. There's good seating here. You're going to have armrests that come down in the armrests. I've got cup holders. Harris has done a fantastic job with this boat. We're excited to be offering it. If you have any questions about this boat, by all means, my name is Tom Eckers. Reach out to me at any time.